Okay, so let's see now how to access list values. So, like an index, those who are not from any programming background, so I should explain index first. So an index is an integer position in a list. So let's say like in Python, the index starts at 0. So the second element is the index 1. If I want to give an example here, example is like 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4. So like this is my list. So 1 will be your 0th index, 2 will be my first index, and so on. Alright. So basically to get an element from a list, you put the index between your square bracket. Example, like if you want to like get any element. So like if you want to get L as, let me show you, L as 1. If you like type this, so it will give me the second element of the list L, 0 1 2. So this will be my second element, which is 3, and it will output as whatever the value as 3. So to give an example, practical example, let's define a list here. Let's say I have A, B, and C. Okay, so now I want print L, and I want to have the first element, like this is the first index. So first index will give me the second element, which is your B. This is how we do that. Okay, and if I say 0th index, sorry, so if I say 0th index, it will give me A, and if I say second index, it will give me, okay, square bracket, square bracket, okay, it will give me C. Alright, so this is how we do the indexing part in a list. And remember guys, the index always starts from 0, always starts from 0, and like so the second element will be at index 1, this will be your index 1, and so on. So you can also access values using negative indexes, which will go from right to left, like from here, like we read Arabic. It will go from right to left if I want to assign negative indexes. And always, if I'm assigning as a negative index, we'll see from the extreme right, and the extreme right element we name it as -1, and then this will be B will be -2, -3, and so on. This is how we move from right to left. So if I want to give an example here, let's define an index. L is 1, 2, 3. So if I want to let's say if I want to give an example of minus index, I'll say print -2. So -2 will give me, this is your -1, -2. -2 will give me 2, and it is same as L. And if I don't want to give minus sign, if I want to take the positive index, how will I do that? This is my 0 and this is 1. So I'll just say 1. So this, both the things are same. So your -2 index is same as your +1 index in this case. Okay. So like if so each element can be reached in two ways, basically in two ways. Let me just note it down. This is an important line. Each element can be reached in two ways. And what are the ways? Positive and negative indexing. So this is known as positive and negative indexing. Alright, I hope you are clear with this. Or let me just give you one more example here. If I have a list as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117 4 comma 1 comma 5 comma 7 comma 2 comma 9. We have this list. Okay, so I want print L as -2. So it will print the -2. So you will start from here. This is -1, this is -2. So your -2 will be 2. And if I say in the same, I say print L as -1. So -1 will be extreme right one, which is your 9. If I say print let's say 0, so it is a 0th index and there is no minus, so you will see from the left side. You'll go from now left to right, not right to left. Your 0th index is 4. And one more example in this, if I say I want to go like 2, so your second index is your element 5. Okay, I hope this is clear with you. So guys, I believe you all are pausing when required and also practicing along with me. This is not like if you are from any coding background like Java or C Sharp, C, any coding background, you'll find Python the most easiest. And if you are like new to any coding language, trust me guys, this is the easiest I can provide. Like if this step you want to do in Java, you have to write like around 12 to 15 lines of code. And in Java, for just you have to print something, you only for printing you have to do system.out.println, print line and all. You don't have to do all the stuff here. Just say print and pass the parameter. All right. So I hope you are clear up to this.